Okay guys, another abandoned one for you. No clue what this place was originally, but it ended up being turned into a restaurant, I think, just before it closed. It's not a huge place, but I'll see what I can find. Now, this one is pretty dangerous, just by going off what I'm looking at now. Probably at that busy main road right at the side of where I am. That is a bathroom. Can't get behind it. That is just another bathroom. Those bricked up windows there. On the other side of there is the canal. So one or two fires in here, as you can expect, and abandoned. Small seating. Stretches around there like that. Counter. There's another little room over there. Let's have a look. The doorway outside. That's all that is. Yeah, you can see this fancy stuff here. I think it was an Indian restaurant. It looks that type of style. This could have been the kitchen, so maybe it's all tiled. It's serving actually. What's that? Oh, it's plastic. Like a storeroom or something, just shelving. What's this sign? And got that type of tiling in the floor. Right. Just loads of stuff hanging around. usual stuff, wiring pipes and stuff. Right, now this is the far side of it. Just show you this. Hope I don't get spotted because it's right on the pathway. Right, I didn't get in here. There's a window wide open. Another little storeroom or something. Nice. Let's get out of sight. Try these stairs then, I think, and then that should be it really. I'll just check that they're oh, nearly that they're safe. All these bricks here. Right, hang on. Sturdy enough. Getting used to these pigeons now. Just got to watch this floor. Just taking my time on this floor. There's no point me going onto that because that's all it is, basically on the roof. See the canal. This is an old building, a very old building. I don't know how old. I would guess 100, somewhere around there. And it does need knocking down. It is to be left like this on the side of a busy main road on a pathway with a canal on the other side. I mean, come on, no one's going to buy it, are they? What would they use it for? Okay, it could be turned into flats, we see that a lot. But the cost of trying to do something like this up would just wouldn't make sense to me. Original, I think it is. Bathroom. Right, I'm just going to take my time on this floor. because you never know. The manual I'm looking at. Oh, it's like the attic area, that. Don't know what this space could have been used for. That's nearly all of it. Right. So it wasn't just a restaurant amongst other things. Some very old steel up there. I've just spotted that. Don't know what that was used for. I'll see if I can zoom in. Give it a sec. There. Quite old. But no little bits and pieces of anything really of what was here before. Not even like a single dinner plate or anything. I've just spotted something disgusting. Shall I put it on camera? Right, no, I've just seen a syringe, guys. So, and it's not uncommon, is it, for drug addicts to use these places to shoot up. That's the saying, is it? That is it. There is an attic, an attic area, but I can't get up there. I don't even know where the hatch is. In fact, looking at that ceiling, it wouldn't be worth it for me to do so. Basically just falling down, and it just looks like there's nothing up there anyway. Right then. Nearly. Right, that is it. Nothing left of it really, is there? Not all, hardly. Just burnt, damp, crumbling. That is a counter, that is definitely. The seats for when it was a restaurant. Right, I'll jump back out of this place. It was worth having a look. Not a lot to see, but just the layout and everything. I think I checked all over there, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Right guys, that's where I got in. Wide open. And that's where I'm jumping out. Right, cheers guys. See you at the next one.